process for the Sync 4 video interface. Remove the push button switch so it'll be easier to start the car to test the unit. Remove the 4 screws. Slide out the whole panel. Okay, now we're going to begin the installation. First, we're going to remove the 54-pin plug. You're going to depress and move the leather to the left. That'll make the cable snap out. All right, now we're going to install the cable that came with the unit. Make sure that the lever is open. And as we push, we slide the leather closed. Now we're going to combine the original cable with the cable we provided. All right, we'll make sure that's shut. Okay. Now we're gonna make the LVDS connection. Yep. The original cable gets connected on the OEM out port of the unit. Now we're going to connect the provided LVDS cable into OEM in. And the other side of the cable will go to where the factory LVDS cable came out of. All right, now we're going to connect the power plug into the NAViKS unit. And there's a nice place right above the radio to hide the unit. And we're going to go ahead and slide it in. It's going to be a little bit hard to film.